Good morning, everyone. And today, 13th of October, it's channel Private Investor Opportunities, and I am MaxiBull.
I am AndyBear. Good morning, everyone.
Today, we will explain you how was our forecast of the last week worked during the whole week.
And also, we give you, as usual, about pro and contra, bullish and bearish forecast.
This is SPY index and our favorite. And during the last week, it performed well. First days it was down. Then in the end of week it raised up. Monday was down, and 12th of October, as AndyBear predicted. However, it reached the support line and reversed and finished the week with on a local high. On Monday, it continued its movement up, and now we expect it to go either bounce from the resistance line, which is marked with red, and go down to level of 441 and then bounce again and go up. Alternatively, it may go straight directly up. So what I recommend here from bullish perspective is to purchase. If you're going to enter the position today, wait until the first hour expired, so until the end of first hour, and then take the decision, because SPY has a good tradition. It tends to raise all the way or fall all the way till the session. It usually doesn't reverse within the session too much. So the first hour is we show the further direction.
Okay, now I would like to show you bearish forecast from AndyBear. So this is the same SPY, but is futures. So there is no gaps between the trading days. And we have plenty indicators. First of all, I would like to pay attention on the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Bands, you see these bands up, down, and the middle one. The Bollinger Bands actually showing us the probability of volatility. So this is the volatility in current situation. And right now we can you can see every time when the price will fall through the Bollinger Band, it's returning back into the Bollinger Bands, because volatility here too extreme. So this is it's the price will trying to all the time to reach the balance and moving back to the middle line. As you can see here, this also was kind of extreme, and the price reversed back. Here we have also again extreme, and the price should reverse back. Moreover, every movement going in zigzagging way. And what we can see here, pretty similar pattern which we had before. So the huge fast correction, the reverse, the double top, and moving back again. And now we can see the same situation. So very, very fast retracement back. Yesterday they made its first correction and reversed back up again, and is on the top of the Bollinger Band. Moreover, this is not really finished the pattern. So if you look back to what is going on, it should be this is a zigzag, typical. Every correction has a zigzag pattern. It's just a law, in trading. So because we already broke the trend, it means we're in correction mode, and correction mode is not finished yet. So we got this the one leg, the second leg, and the third leg actually a lot longer. Why? Because when we reached this bottom, all the bulls starts closing positions because they realized there's not, and now it's kind of euphoria. it's really the situation with FRE because not really big volume, and it's very crazy jump in price, especially if you look at the index SP 500 or in trading view SPY. What we have here? We have here flying candles. So there is a huge gap between all the candles, and as you know, every gap must be closed. So we have lots of gaps which should be they closed, and as a result, will be it's the strong movement down. Seasonally, we had a similar picture last year ago. You see these all flying candles up, and now reversal back. And the reversal was up to the end of the month of October, and the middle of the month, it was local top, exactly the same as we have now. But what's happened last year? Last year was a crazy FRE. There's lots of money pumped into the system. It was a bullish trend. Now a different story. Different story. So the pattern and the movement down will be even stronger. And as I mentioned before, on this level, when we'll reach again the same bottom, we can go down. So there is a true stops, and moreover, the sales and earnings from this quarter is not as good, are not as good as the previous, because previous was lots of stimulus evaporating. In November will be first tapering, plus the American government borrowed lots of money, just about almost $500 billion to temporarily cover expenses. So all the money should be taken, will be taken from a market. So it's all together. I expect it's deeper. So this was like a rehearsal of the real trend.
Yeah, okay. However, I can expect some bounce SPY down. However, I know that SPY is a specific application, specific ETF, because it consists of all the market. The market may go a bit dip, however, it reverse and raise because people are buying things. Market is producing things, producing goods, producing services, and there's no, and for some foreseeable future, there's no way for people to end up with their consumption. So amount of people on the planet is growing, and amount of cash mass is also growing.
Agree, because it is on the long run, all the markets going up, but sometimes this correction will be very painful, as it was 1929, it was 1987, it was 2001, it was 2008. And if you look overall, the SP 500 market is now, it's so well overvalued and overbought. And finally, for example, if you bought your plasma TV, or now it's LCD super high resolution TV this year, you want to buy another TV today? No, because you're already stocked with all you're full in stock, you already spend money. So you need to make new, you earn new money. So you'll reduce level of spending. So all the spending is like, it's like a wave, up and down. That's why correction after.
Andy, you should be aware of some Apple fans buying a new Apple phone. This is just came to stock. So
yeah, some Apple people are crazy. They can exchange his one kidney to buy its a new phone. Yeah, that's I know.
Yeah, that's correct. That's good. I'm one of them. Okay, let's go to look at Fortinet, which also my favorite. Yesterday, Fortinet made all the time high. And I expect it to continue raising up to, if my forecast is right, so it will be raising up to 340 this period. Then it can bounce down to level it just crossed, so to 321, making the mirror correction, and then it has no limitation where to raise. Okay, and coming to Facebook. Facebook is another story we had some time ago, and on 4th of October, Facebook experienced a big outage. So the 6 hours, during 6 hours, servers of Facebook were not working. Someone said that it's hackers, someone said there's some problems with their server. I don't know, as usual. But I think Facebook now is coming back on track, and its prognosis is positive. So it has two possible ways after 355 and 384.
MaxiBull, I would like to pay your attention to the Bitcoin. So what we have now in here, it was Coinbase actually start working, and it starts with Bitcoin trading on the Coinbase. And from this level, the price plunged after it was consolidated 30 and reached this level. Why? Because it will be officially approved. ETF from a Bitcoin started trading. So the ETF now is trading on all trading platforms. And that's why it was like a celebration here. But what we can see here, there is a very strong level. So some people expecting 65,000 will test. Some thinking will be here. That's the still again can be high, which is below than previous high. If the price, and the city is a consolidation, if the price of Bitcoin starts going down from here, we can see the forecast can be $10,000 till $12,000 for the Bitcoin. And this could happen taking an account of the whole general market, which is the SPY reflecting. So if it's SPY will go down from these highs, and Bitcoin could also follow the SPY. So altogether, it can accelerate. It's the trend, especially now it's liquidity on the market. It's pretty limited. Also, would like to keep an eye on American bonds. So the American bonds, now it's the yields of American bonds, it's reversed. And here kind of a consolidation as it was before. So when the market starts forward, it's the plunge soon. This week, we're expecting there's another leg up to the highest one. And here, all the financial institutions starts panicking on this level. And that just starts closing position, because it will be very negative for them to hold government bonds. And this is a generate another sell-off. This is my view.
Okay, I believe that you're right. At some point. However, we will not see the picture of,
and also,
of this agony on the markets.
And also the MaxiBull, what I want to share here with our subscribers and watchers, have a look at the every Monday. So what I noticed for the last 3 months, even more, if you look, it's back even one from beginning of this year, every Monday showing us the movement in a Monday, showing us correction of a major trend of the week. For example, this Monday it was up, means a whole week will be down. The previous Monday was down, the whole week was up. The 2 weeks ago, Monday was down, the whole week was eventually up. So before it's a week up, but Monday up and the whole week down. And if you look at the Monday, is, I say, like it's a monkey rally. So it's kind of the opposite of a real trend rally. And this is a very interesting comment.
Okay, Andy, thank you very much for your comment. That will be important for traders to know, which can predict by looking at Monday, they can predict the whole week price. with some good probability. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us, and we will see you very soon again.
Okay, all the best, and see you tomorrow. Bye.